Next topic, relational or comparative operator. A relational operator is also called as comparative operator. Already you studied in 11th standard. So next one, which check the relationship between two operands. Operands means already I told you that is the variable. It will be give the relationship between the two variable. Okay, it will be check the condition. If the condition is a true means return the result is the true, otherwise false. So we can classify the relational operator. First one is the equality operator, second one is greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal. What is the difference between the single equal sign and a double equal sign? For example, a equal 5. Okay, that means the value 5 assigned to a. So the single equal sign called as the assignment operator. Okay, the value 5 is assigned to a, that is the assignment operator. Second one, a double equal b, that means that is the equality operator. A and b both are equal. Okay, now we can see the example of the relational operator. First one is the a equal b, 100 equal 35. It will be check the condition. So condition is false. Okay, next one, a greater than b, 100 greater than 35. So condition is the true. Okay, next one, a less than b, a value is 100, b value is 35. So 100 less than 35 is a false. Next one, a greater than or equal to b. So a value 100 greater than or equal to b value is 35. What is the difference between the a greater than b and a greater than or equal to b means? First one, for example, 100 greater than 100. So it will be check the condition. Condition is the false. Now are using the greater than or equal to. That means now condition is the true. One condition is satisfied, another one condition is not satisfied. 100 greater than 100 is the condition is the false. 100 equal 100, that is a true. Okay, that is the difference between the greater than and greater than or equal to. Next one, lesser than or equal to, similar as the previous one. So a value is the 100 lesser than or equal to 35. So condition is the false. Okay, next one, not equal, a not equal b, 100 not equal 35. So condition is true. For example, 100 equal 35, that is the false. Now what they told, 100 not equal 35, that means the condition is the true. Okay, next one, example of the relational operator program. A equal to into input, enter a value for a. Already I told you, input means it will be accept only character and a string. So that is the character. String means collection of character. Character means single letter. So what you have given within the double quotation of the print statement, that will be same manner it will be printed as output. So accept the input value only string or character if you are using the input. So if you want to convert the string to numeric value means we can using the int. Int is the one of the data type. A is the variable, equal is the assignment operator. Okay, this term assigned to a. First one, if you are run this program means first ask the question, enter a value for a. See the output, enter a value for a. It will be accept the input value from user. What value you have given? 35. Okay, next one, second question, b equal to into input, enter a value for b. It will be accept from user the second one input value. So enter a value for b, 56. Okay, next one, print within the double quotation a equal. See here, a equal double quotation, what you have given within the double quotation, the same manner it will be print a equal. A value, what value you accept already? 35. So 35 is printed there. Okay, next one, and b equal. And b equal, that is the format printed within the double quotation. Okay, so and b equal up to equal, that printed the same manner. Next one, b value printed there. B value, what value we accept already? 56. So 56 is printed there. Next one, print within the double quotation, what they have given means the a equal b. Up to b they have given within the double quotation. The same message it will be printed there. The a equal b. Next one, a equal b, that is a check the condition, similar as the example I have given here. Okay, So what input value we accept? A value 35, B value 56. So it will be check the condition. 35 equal to 56. Condition is the false. So see the result here is a false. Okay. Next one, print the A greater than B. Within the double quotation they have given the same message is printed here, the A greater than B. Next one, A greater than B, check the condition. So A value, what value accepted? 35. B value is the 56. So 35 greater than 56. The condition is the false. Okay. 35 greater than 56. So condition is a false. So false result displayed here. Similar as the remaining operator for greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal. The same input value we can use for the remaining operators. Okay. Next topic, logical operators. In Python, logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the given relational expression. Relational expression means we can set the some condition using the relational operator. For example, A greater than B. That is the one condition using the relational operator. We can classify the logical operator three types. First one is the OR, second one is the and last one is the NOT. What is the main advantages of the logical operator means? First one, relational operator used to set the only one condition at a time. For example, A greater than B, that is the one condition. If we want to check more than one condition at a time means we can using the logical operator. So here one condition A greater than B, another one condition A equal B. These two condition we can combine using the operator is the logical operator, that is the OR. Okay, similar as the AND. A greater than B is the one condition, A equal B is the another one condition. These two condition we can combine means we can using the operator as the AND, that is the logical operator. Okay, we can see some example. Assume A equal to 97 and B equal to 35. These values we can assign in this expression. A greater than B, A value 97 greater than B value 35, that is the one condition. A value 97 equal to B value 35. First one condition is the true, second one condition is the false. So we are using the OR operator means any one of the condition is the true means result is true. What is the difference between OR operation and AND operation means? OR operation, in this expression any one of the condition is the true means the entire result is the true. But AND operation means all the condition is satisfied only the result is the true. Okay, any one of the condition is the false means answer is false. That is using the AND operation. So next one, AND operation. A greater than B, there is a one condition. Using the logical operator is the AND. A equal B, the same value 97 greater than 35, there is a one condition. 97 equal 35, there is another one condition. First one condition is a true, second one condition is a false. We are using the AND operation means any one of the condition is a false means the result is a false. Okay, third one, NOT operator. A greater than B, so 97 greater than 35, there is a condition is the true, but what they have given using the NOT operator, not A greater than B, that means answer is the false. Okay, that means not true.